Hello YouTube, it is Elvile over here. In this video I will show you how you can remove Google Lock FRP from Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite or T220 using unlocktool. So this is a tool that can do to many devices, and this time we're gonna use it on Samsung T220. Let me log in real fast and I'm gonna start using the tool for the FRP process. Okay, so this is a paid tool. You need to pay for this one. It has a subscription like 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. But it is a very good tool with too many features. Let me log in real fast. Okay, I'm agreeing the terms, and it will load pretty fast. Depending on the computer speed, it may take a little bit longer. It is not always the same. And this is the tool. So just like I told you, this is a paid tool, and if you have only one device or two devices, you can rent this tool using on this website. Go to elvile.company.site, and if it goes to the Google, open the first result over here, and at the end you will see there is a listing to rent 6 hours for unlocktool. Okay, so here it is. You can add to bag and pay using PayPal, and you will receive the username and the password for the license key. They also have contact on WhatsApp. Okay, let's get back to our method right now. So you need to go to the Samsung tab on the left, and you need to search for your model. In this case, it is T220. Okay, it is the fourth one, the last one, sorry. Okay, tap on. You will need to click on Broom, Erase FRP. Okay, so once you do this one, what you need to do, you need to disconnect the cable and you need to power off the device completely. The instructions also are showing on the screen right now. So steps are as follow. 1. Disconnect cable and power off. 2. Long press volume up and volume down buttons both together, and then connect the cable while holding these two tablets, and the tablet should be off. So just long press both volume up and volume down and connect to the cable. I'm doing that right now, and you will see that the results on the right. Okay, so the screen should always stay black, and you will see the flashing on the right, and this should take a couple of seconds, maybe 30 seconds. As you see over here, it is analyzing the hardware, sending the download agent, booting device, reading the partition info, and erasing FRP. Okay. As you see over here, this is a May patch of 2025, the latest Android 14 for this device. There are no more updates that this one can take, and the FRP is good to go. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.